Now, a day after director and producer Vinta Nanda accused actor Alok Nath of raping her, Cinta has taken cognizance of the matter and will be sending a notice to the actor. Cinta has also assured Vinita Nanda of all support in this matter. Tara, producer, had alleged that Alok Nath had raped her. Joining us with the latest updates is my colleague Soyesha. Soyesha, Cinta assuring all help and assistance to Vinta Nanda, who has accused Alok Nath of raping her, and Cinta has taken cognizance of the matter and will be sending a notice to the actor.
Absolutely, Shobhit. That's the latest coming in as far as the Me Too story is concerned. The movement is getting bigger every moment, literally. And the latest is this tweet by Sushant Singh, who's also the General Secretary of Cinta. He's put out this latest tweet where he said that he's in fact apologized to Vinta Nanda for all that she had to go through as far as Alok Nath is concerned, and also mentioned that Cinta will be sending a show cause notice to Alok Nath first thing in the morning, that is today, where he will be expelled. And he has also apologized as to why this process has taken so long. And he has also urged Vinta Nanda through this tweet that she should go ahead and file an official complaint. Meanwhile, Cinta will be extending all support as far as this entire process is concerned. Remember, Shobhit, like we said, that the movement is getting bigger, and Cinta is also now officially going out and supporting all these complaints that are coming against even senior and veteran actors when it comes to complaints of women harassment. And remember, Vinta Nanda we are talking about here is a very, very senior veteran producer. And she has, in fact, worked with Alok Nath on several occasions, on several projects. And here, as we're seeing so many actors, comedians, and people from various professions, in fact, even journalists coming under the scanner as far as these complaints of women harassment are concerned. The latest, of course, is Alok Nath now coming under this, where Cinta is now going to send him a show cause notice, and they will also help Vinta Nanda if she goes ahead and decides to file an official complaint. Remember, Shobhit, more news coming in on this, as Mami is also now taking action against actors and, you know, dropping their projects, dropping AIB shows, and several production houses, channels, be it Cinta now, everybody now taking this up on a very, very big level and ensuring that you know, they take action against complaints coming against all the accused.
Absolutely, Soyesha. You know, Nanda had written, "I have waited for this moment to come for 19 years," in long and all-revealing Facebook post referring to the predator in question as the most sanskari person in the film industry, later confirming that her allegations were in fact against Alok Nath. Now, the Cinta, or the Cine and TV Artists Association, has offered and ensured that all help and assistance be given to director and producer Vinta Nanda.